Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning. Hope you all had a great weekend and peaceful and blissful Eid al-Adha celebrations. Being a Monday, good afternoon everyone. And I would like to, previously we have completed two chapters in SAP FICO beginning learning classes. We have gone through about introduction to SAP and how to create a company and how to create a company code and assign to a company. So we will now move forward to lesson 3, which will give you an overview and procedures of creating chart of accounts, which is the basic thing and basic and fundamental thing for any account, any company. Once you create the company, you have to create the chart of accounts. What are the designations? How you are going to create the chart of accounts? So in this video also we will use Guru 99 website so that we can easily access so that I think Wi-Fi is disabled, so I have just using mobile data. So now, how to create a chart of accounts in SAP? This step is helpful to use create a chart of accounts in SAP FI. Before we begin, let's discuss what is chart of account. See, COA in SAP, the chart of account is defined that client level and assigned to each company code. It is a list of general ledger accounts, master data that fall under different accounting groups of a company code. This grouping mechanism helps to develop better financial reports. Each company are having different kind of group of accounts. Okay, so in that group of accounts, we will define the separate accounts. Okay, types of chart of account. There are 3 types of chart of accounts. What are they? Operating chart of accounts, group chart of accounts, and country specific chart of accounts. For example, a company which is operating under different countries and operating under they are selling and making purchases under different currencies, so it will come operating chart of accounts. They are used to post daily expenses, daily expenses of the accounts. So this account basically could be revenue accounts or cost accounts. Okay, so this will be helpful in finance and controlling modules, which is FICO. Finance and controlling module, nothing but FICO. Group chart of accounts. These are the accounts used by the entire corporate group. They help in generating reports at the corporate end. Whenever we pull a report in SAP by using T code like F-27, FVLP or anything, then what will happen? It will ask you for the group of accounts, so that it will easily pull the report. Third, country specific chart of accounts. This chart of account helps to meet country specific legal requirements. Like if the country is operating in United States of America or Australia or Saudi Arabia or India or in Middle East or across the globe, so based on the legal formalities and requirements of the company, we will set the taxes, kind of tax rates and all in this. So now how to create a chart of accounts. So as I told you earlier also, this one of the basic trend code we use for creating company and assigning company code or any function. To if you want to go to the function of the SAP, you have where you can delete anything, add anything, edit anything, you will use the T code SPRO. Okay, so what is SPRO? Nothing but is a customizing executive project screen. In this screen you will click SAP reference image, basically a specs or goggles sign. Then it will show you the navigation. Under that navigation, same navigation where we have created the company code, you have to select edit chart of accounts. Okay, edit chart of accounts. Once you define the chart of accounts, then only you can add any GL account numbers. In the fourth screen, you have to click new entries. Okay, what are the new entries? Then in this next screen, new entries screen, you are having 5 to 6 steps which you need to do, which you need to remember, and which is default. Okay, what are they? Enter a unique chart of account code. Maximum length is 4, and select any 4 digit, and it should be differ from company code. Okay, then select. Second, enter a description of the chart of accounts. What is the description, like financial accounting or sales accounting or branch accounting kind of, or expenses accounting or fixed assets. Third, enter language in which chart of account is created. So in this step, you have to define the language. SAP is offering you in Arabic, English, Spanish, Germany, and different languages. Fourth, enter the maximum length for GL account number. It could be maximum to 10 digit number. If shorter than it will prefix 0 before it to make like OK. So in this step, you have to select and enter the GL code number. It should be it should be 10 digit. Okay, you can define 0001 or you can give 1000 kind of. So it should be 10 digit. Then fifth point, enter the type of integration between GL account and cost elements. Cost elements like sales, branches doing sales, then it will go to cost. What are the expenses of the branch? If it is only doing the sales, then it will give the cost center of the sales area, sales department. Okay. Sixth, enter chart of accounts which is used in corporate group. Which corporate group we are in? For example, I told you which corporate, like a company, like example Petromin, it's in Saudi Arabia. They are having chart of account which is corporate group, like Petromin be Saudi based company, which is are having fuel and petroleum products, as well as some, they are having some other car accessories showrooms as well. So they will have different corporate group of accounts. Okay, so now I will show you new entries or details of how to add. Like I said, 4 digit chart of account number, we are using Z100. Description, you can give anything, like example new chart of account 01. Maintenance language English. Length of the GL account number it is giving 4. Controlling integration, manual creation of cost elements. We will create the cost elements manually. Okay. 6 point, group of chart of accounts. So after you completing in this, press on save. It will give you the request number. You have to enter it, and it will successfully create the chart of accounts. Now you have to create the corporate group. Okay. See, you can see consolidation 6 point. It is blank. So we will create chart of accounts group. Again we will go to SPRO. Again we click on goggles or specs. Then in display image will come. In this we will select define account group. Then we will select new entries. In this also you have to enter the chart of accounts key, and the account group is to be created. A unique account group key. Enter description for account group. Enter the number range of GL account to be created in the group. Only 4 steps. Here company code, account group, GL name, and 2 account number. It is we are using 99. Then 6th point, enter, click on the field status. In the next screen you can change the field status for different sections of master data. For example, account control, account management, document entry. Document entry is nothing but general accounting entries which you are using. Now you can maintain the state of different fields. Hidden, required, optional. What are the, whether you want to show the tax category, whether you want to show the currency in the reports or accounts, like that. Okay, so default field is optional. Once you done with that, you have to click on save, and you have to enter your unique request number, then it will save. So in this step also we have learned about how to create a corporate group and how to create a chart of account and assign it. So first we have completed 4 lessons now. First lesson was how to create a company code, then how to assign a company code. Second, third lesson is how to create chart of accounts, and fourth lesson is how to create corporate group. Okay, so inshallah in 5th step we will learn about how to create the retained earning accounts, which is profit and loss accounts. So for today, today's class, this is okay. done now. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. And hopefully follow our group. Stay connected. Thank you very much.